Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today Ann is driving with
One of the most crazy desserts that is almost plant perfect. Wait until you see it and then wait until you taste it. It starts, Jane, do you want to explain?
Well, I'm explaining with the banana part, and then you're going to drive. But the bananas, we take bananas, and I'm just showing you that Ann has her little frozen pocket book, or whatever you call that, of bananas.
Frozen bananas.
And I have this ongoing bin of frozen banana pieces. And what we do when bananas get to be really leopard spotted, these are not quite too leopard spotted, but what we do is you take them and you peel the skin off. Don't try to be clever and say, I'm going to freeze it with the skin on. You're never going to get the skin off. The skin freezes to the fruit, and then you're kind of sunk. So you take the banana, and I like to crack it in half because that fits down this straight tube a little bit. If you try to put this whole thing in, it doesn't really work. So just we crack it into pieces, put it in, throw this in the freezer. So that's why we have this stash. I also use this to make banana bread. You take out 3 bananas and you got banana bread.
Jane, I also like to do freeze my bananas by putting them on a little tray and let them freeze so that they're frozen so that they come easily out.
That's
so
perfect.
They don't stick together.
That's so civil.
Here.
That's
I like to do
civil.
that. Also, I like to bring a banana to start just a little bit out.
Can we talk about what this is?
Oh, yes, please speak about it.
This is the Yonanas machine, and the Yonanas machine just takes frozen bananas and makes them into soft serve. And once you turn it on, this first banana it gets into the gears of the grinding teeth, and it makes a lot of noise. So I wanted to talk about it before. Again, this is only frozen bananas going in the machine. It makes soft serve.
It's a little chippy when it first comes out. It's good. I'll get that's enough. After that, stop. Oh. That's good. I'm going to just split this up.
And while you're doing so, can I make a comment about Yonanas?
Yeah.
Yonanas, these have to be frozen. If they get too thawed, you're going to just be making banana juice. It has to work with the frozenness within the bananas being, out of the freezer. Do you want a wee bit more, Mommy?
And you could also, if you want, you could put frozen blueberries in along with this. You could put any frozen berries. You can put chocolate chips if you want.
I've got some frozen raspberries we could show.
Yeah. So
you could just put
I want to show you.
Kind of frozen fruit.
I want to show you what I came to show you, and that is here. We've done the first part. Someone gave us this Date Lady chocolate syrup, and I have sticky hands.
Date Lady chocolate syrup.
And I thought, oh my gosh, I've got to use it. But it isn't often that you find something that has ingredients that you like. And these ingredients, I have a chocolate syrup that we've made, but listen to these ingredients. It's organic dates, organic cocoa, filtered water, and vanilla extract. So it is amazing. So on top of our banana soft serve, I'm just going to put a little sprinkle of this wonderful chocolate syrup. And then
we're making chocolate sundaes after all.
Chocolate sundaes with toasted walnuts. I toasted walnuts twice and burned both batches. I couldn't believe it.
I was coming in from a run down the street, and I thought maybe something was on fire. As we got close to our house, I came sprinting into our driveway thinking I had left something on when I left for my run, but it was just the wafting of the burning walnuts coming out of your house.
So,
oh my gosh, yum!
So wait until you try it. To me, it's just so good. Wade.
Oh, all right, Wade, you're going to love that.
Thank you.
You got an extra dribble of chocolate sauce,
Do you want a little more?
Oh, Jane.
Ah.
What do you think?
I think we're going to need to make some more.
Wade thinks we're going to have to make some more.
No, it's funny.
It's so easy to eat.
Yeah.
And so easy to eat.
And to me, it's so funny. The little bit of walnut crunch is so good.
While you guys are having another bite, I want to show, so the best part of Yonanas is when you get this off, and it's kind of easy and fun to clean. You just unscrew the gears. And inside here, can you see, Wade? There we go. In here, it's like another serving of ice cream. Like so much is in those gears, which is so exciting. Who needs a little more? Did you finish yours?
Wait, do you want some more?
Did you finish yours?
I have to.
You got to
go.
do it.
Thank you. Thank
There you go.
You are-
So
You are a special man. We have to
keep
feed
you
you.
fed.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to keep making Yonanas
And eating them.
hot chocolate sundaes. These aren't hot chocolate, but just chocolate sundaes. And this is actually really good. All right. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.